Hi, I am Renate Moore. Welcome to Let's Cook and Just Eat. I've just returned from the market where I went to pick up my veggies for the week, particularly a cabbage, and I will show you how quick and easy it is to prepare cabbage and beef as we get ready to celebrate St. Patrick's Day. Cabbage is one of the most inexpensive leafy vegetables, and yet it has lots of nutritional value. Here I am giving the cabbage a rinse, and not only is this heart healthy, it acts as an anti-inflammatory agent. It's a good source of fiber and it aids in digestion. I've marinated the beef for 24 hours. You can do so for 30 minutes if you're strapped for time. We'll now saute the beef with these vegetables and some tomato paste. We're now sauteing, getting some drizzles of oil. And then when this heats up a bit, we will add, this is a tablespoon of tomato paste. And we'll cook this for about a minute, making sure you keep stirring so that it doesn't burn. Next we add our vegetables. And we'll cook this again like another minute so that it softens up. So this is coming all together. Look at this beautiful rainbow colors. Add a little bit more oil if you realize it needs a little bit more moisture. Now we will get ready to add the marinated beef. Okay, so we stir this, give it a good stir so it mixes well together. Then we put the lid on and let this cook for 4 to 5 minutes. We'll check in between to make sure it's not burning. We're now adding the broth. Give this a good stir and put the lid on and let this cook for 20 to 30 minutes so that the meat softens to the tender texture you like. Alternatively, if you have a pressure cooker and you're comfortable with using it, you can follow the same steps and then pressure it for 7 to 10 minutes. And while this is cooking, we'll go and get the cabbage chopped up and ready. Growing up, cabbage was on our menu once a week, and now it is on my menu every week. So it's easy. You just cut this. This is how I prepare it to get it sliced. Cut it this way, cut it this way, and I get the core out. And then the trick is do not slice it too thin because then it can be too soft and mushy when you cook it. And so into the bowl. So I'm chopping some parsley that I will add when I put the cabbage with the beef. Add the cabbage. Give it a nice stir. And then you will add the parsley and some tomatoes that I had chopped up. You flavor with some salt, fresh ground black pepper. Give it a good stir again. Put the lid on and let this cook for 20 minutes. Then we'll taste it for flavor. Cabbage was cooking for 20 minutes. And now it's done. And there you have it, my spin on cabbage and beef for St. Patrick's Day dinner. Enjoy this with either basmati or jasmine rice and a side salad. And this is how you get fresh food fast on the table rather than fast food on the table. Cheers! If you're about eating healthy and tasty foods, Just Eat Pure and Simple Cooking will get you there. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed the show.